Guys, my hair looks horrible, man. Damn. But it's COVID. How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's another day to vlog. Another day, another vlog. Hey, Mugamachi Kamachi. Mugamachi. Oh, yeah, anyway, so my friends here to pick me up. We're going to do something weird. But you know me, always out there to get you guys the content. So I'm looking for Henry right now. I guess I have to call him. Funny thing is I'm shooting using my phone. Maybe I crossed the road. Yeah, the streets are this empty. Henry? As you can see, they're kind of empty, but people aren't really respecting the lockdown, but we'll figure that out. We'll talk about that much later. So let me switch this off, give him a buzz and see where he is. Okay, so I guess I gave him a call, and funny story, he was right behind our offices. So yeah, let's find him. Meanwhile, guys, as I do this, I know you're probably out there just watching this and wondering, should I like this video? Should I share it on my social media platforms? Should I tell my friends about this video? You should. It's probably a good idea. So go ahead and do that. Okay, I'll wait. It's a long walk. Going past the Hilton. Subscribe yet? Like yet? Yet? Oh, okay, I see Henry. He's over there. I see the guy is there. The guy is over there. The guy is there. I've seen the guy. You see the guy. Thank goodness it's even cold. The whole plot of this is that you do not ride into me. Am I going to sit? So Henry decided to buy a bike during COVID. Oh yeah, shout out to Hilton, guys. Your hotel is there. You know what you guys do inside there. What up?
What up, people?
You guys were not bored with this is constructive stuff. So check this guy out, man. What have you been up to, Henry? You even have a helmet and all, man.
Yo, man, I come from the bank earlier. I remember that take my friend Danze for some lessons today.
Yeah, you guys.
Tell you I've broken it up.
Before today ends,
Danze will be riding.
And that
this guy right here.
We're going to be like so's. Let's go. Repeat exactly what you're saying. All
right. So, first thing I'm going to show you is how to kickstart.
How to
All
kickstart?
These bikes come with
you
a
look
kickstart.
Somewhere here. This is the kickstart.
Yeah. Kickstarting. Weight on a normal bike. And self-starting as well.
Self-starting.
Yeah.
Just turning
the key. Yeah.
Turning. Okay.
So after you've learned that, then I'll teach you how to balance. If you can figure out how to balance, then I'll teach you how to increase.
Okay, question. Is it exactly like riding a bike?
Exactly like riding a bike. But what freaks people out is they constantly forget that there's an accelerator there.
This is not the brake.
So when you ride a bike and you lose balance, you can always take your foot off and you're more or less stop. But then with the bike, because of the acceleration, that's what always scares you. The motion is exactly the same. But if you can control the acceleration and the brake,
Kali. Are
you
ready? I'm ready. Let's go.
Ready.
Let's do this.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go. So ready?
Yeah.
So when you're stopping, if you want a normal starter like what you have for the border, first you.
Oh, that thing of.
Yeah. First you make it stand.
Okay.
And when it's standing, just pull this out, and you go through the same process as
pull
you did
what
before.
out?
This is always.
It's always there, eh?
Yeah. So you
So
bring
pull
it
that
out.
guy out.
You hold as usual, right? You turn the key when the light comes on.
Wait, what? Let's switch it off again. Okay.
So
we've done that guy.
yeah, we've done this.
You pull this guy out.
Yeah.
Let's do this guy again.
So now you just hold the brake.
Hold the
usual.
brakes.
Turn the key.
Then the
Then
key.
while you hold this, you kick. It will just start.
Practicals.
Do it one more time. Turn it off. So. Yeah, so now make it stand first.
Okay.
This
Rule number 1 is
the leg first, so you make it stand. A little bit more energy lift. There we go. So now,
Okay.
so now you hold the
What's
brake.
that?
Yeah,
You pull this guy out.
yeah. Pull it out.
Uh,
Hold the brake.
hold the brake. Turn key.
Turn key. Well, you press. And just like that, you're good. You're on your way. So you do that if it ever fails to self start. Sometimes the battery or whatever. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
There's your helmet, sir. Fasten it well.
My God, why am I nervous? Wait, you guys, I'm failing at where I am. Okay, we're good,
Don't
we're
be. All right, now to go to the bike.
good. Is there a specific way of doing this?
No, just mount it.
Wow.
Yeah,
Mount the
like
bike.
that. So, first thing we're going to do now, I think we'll start with the self starter. First,
This one.
pull the kickstand up. Just pull it up. Yeah, just that.
Yeah.
Now,
Guys, I see bike guys doing
most
this
important thing. This is your brake, right?
Brake, accelerate.
No.
Yeah.
Accelerating is the turning.
Is this, eh?
Yeah, turning. Turn it a little so I see. No. Upwards.
Like this.
Like that. Now never forget, every time you want to brake, turn the accelerator back to the neutral position where it is now, its resting position.
This is accelerate.
Yeah.
Then I take it back. Here.
Take it back and then hold the brake. Keep your hand on the brake at all times.
It's like a car. Your foot is always there. So this is like the other
Always.
foot. Eh?
Uh-huh.
So
Always
you've
on the
said-
brake.
You've said accelerate.
Accelerate,
this.
but not too much. Yes, just a little. You see how the power will go. Just a little. Then when you want to brake, take it all the way back to neutral.
Okay, first hold on. When I start the bike and I do this, will it stay at this position?
No, when you're holding the brake, it will kind of stay there.
So this stays here.
Yeah, you have to always return it.
So when I return it is when I can brake.
Yeah, when you can brake. Reason I tell you that you can brake when the accelerator is still moving. But reason I insist that you do that is so you learn how to slow down properly. You don't want to panic and then you forget to turn it off.
I'm
That's how
panicking
everyone
less
falls.
now. Okay,
All right.
Let's do this.
Now time to start. Hold the brake.
Brake.
Hold the brake. Now turn the key.
This side.
Yeah, just once. There we go.
It's
now
on.
press. Yeah. Now press the accelerator. Press. Okay. Don't let the light turn. Get off. Huh? So turn the key when the
I
light is
hold the
still
brake
red.
first.
When the light is still red, then you just press this until it starts.
But I hold the brake
Yeah.
as I do that.
Leave your hand on the brake.
Okay.
Turn. Now press. Now we're in business. Now turn. Turn that accelerator very slowly. Yeah. Both legs up there. Move. Move. Go. And you're in business. I almost can't believe this.
Bro,
That's it.
scary, man.
I know, but that's it. You're,
What?
That's it. You're done now.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I promise you that's it. Now just go.
Wait, so I go?
Go, turn, and come back.
So it's still, okay.
Brake, hand on brake at all times. So now go. Slowly. Slowly. Go. Leave your hand on the brake, but go. Go. All the way down. To the end of the road. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Come. Don't be afraid. Well done. Go faster. Go a little bit faster. Yeah. A little bit faster. Don't be afraid. Does this feel?
It was just full adrenaline.
Uh-huh.
My desire not to fall, I guess, kept me going straight.
But it's easy. Didn't I tell you 20 minutes?
The problem is the fact that we had this conversation before.
Uh-huh.
Compose I
Yeah, you turn it back.
it's up, switching off is what?
No, just turn the key. Left.
Duh.
That's it. Now put the
The stand guy back.
just down. Yeah. Now turn the. There you go.
Okay. So my virginity has just been taken.
Uh-huh.
I
Now,
like them small.
now from here. See, Mans has learned how to ride the
Yeah.
scooter.
I'm a quick learner. They simply told me she's here, sit on it and mount. That was the motivator, the mounting bit.
So, only thing from here I can tell you now is just confidence. The more you ride, if you can try and get into more traffic situations, the better. Like I was going to
After
ask you
some
today,
months, I'll go into traffic.
No, not some months. You're going to make the circle. This road goes all the way around. So you're going to go down, go all the way around, and then come back up here.
Is this really?
I was actually going to send you for fuel, city oil, but I think we'll do that next
Yeah,
time.
we'll do that another time, definitely.
Oh yeah. So I've sent him to go all the way around. He's going to go down, turn on Kitante Road, and then come back all the way up, and come up from right there, where Hilton is.
More moments later.
Hey! Yo, how does that feel? How does that feel? How does that feel? How does that feel? You experience a few cars trying to enter the road.
What's it called?
Uh-huh.
It's freaky. I'm not even going to. The whole point is I think I'm just one of those guys who just won't give up. When I was going down that turn, just right there, I'm like, but why is Henry irresponsible? Let me do this. Then I look for the indicator. I'm assuming this is the indicator.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Then, like, cars were coming down there near Kitan.
Yeah.
And I was like, maybe this is the moment when that fall comes. But yeah, the balancing is good. It's because I can ride a bike, I think.
Yes, because you can ride a bike.
My biggest worry is it feels exposed. There's no,
Yes.
no nothing. You're just naked.
Look, that you never get used to. I mean, even for me myself,
My
still, till today, I never get used to that.
Okay. This feels.
So now we tie.
Now we tie here.
This guy thing is not very strong, eh?
Now
Okay,
it
you
goes-
hold there, let me tie.
Okay.
Actually, this will hold.
Like I pushed, then I'm like, I tell him not to go.
This thing will hold. Won't it hold?
It will hold.
Yeah, this one.
I just, because I'm not going over bumpy roads, I'm not going to. Yeah, because guys won't even believe I did this for real,
Yeah.
if I don't record.
There.
Whoa!
Eh?
A shoelace.
Shoeless.
These guys are joking. You need to record me taking off the shoelace.
No, I can do that as well.
Yeah, let's take it off and show guys that we are
Yeah.
determined to the cause.
This is how you make a mount.
Yeah.
You take off the shoelace
Guys.
and then you mount it. Eh?
Content, this is what I'm doing
boy.
for you guys. Just go.
There we go. So this was. First, wait. No. What was the angle?
Because, no, the good thing with this is,
Well, you can always twist up there.
I can always twist it up here. as
Okay,
long
so
as
first we tie here. Yeah, this will hold now.
So yeah, basics of riding a scooter is don't be a pussy. But anyway, truth
Be
be told,
brave.
Safety first.
Safety first,
That's why I'm
helmet.
wearing a helmet.
Yep.
Yeah, and make sure your instructor doesn't put you on pressure. My God.
If if you can keep your hand on the brake,
Yeah.
everything else.
Henry, I don't think there's a way you cannot put your hand on the brake.
There.
So guys, my official first ride. Number one, the what's it called?
The kickstand.
The kickstand. Then you turn the key slightly. When you see the red, what's this thing called?
You start the self starter.
Self starter.
Well, the hand is on the brake.
On the brake all the time, guys.
Hand on the brake at all
the time,
times.
all the time. So hey guys, this goes nothing. So that you guys don't think I was fooling you, I actually did it. And Henry, I'm leaving him behind. He's there. You guys are going to see him in the distance. He's not behind me like doing that Titanic hold. Eh? Yeah. So kick. So the stand is off.
Brake is there.
Holding brake at all times.
Yeah.
I want you guys to have this in full HD. So I'm gonna clean that guy up real quick. So we're good to go. Whew. So I'll try and flip this ahead at some point. But guys, here we go. I'll try to narrate. Okay, so what's it called again?
Kickstand is up.
Kickstand is up.
Hand on the brake.
Hand on the brake. I turn once.
And go.
So the bike is
On
on.
his way.
Yeah, Henry just sending me out there in the world to go like that. Here we go, people. Let's go! Let's go!
And he's back safely.
Now I want to do it one last time, but with you guys seeing where I'm going. Hey, Oh my god.
So there goes our lessons for the day. I think the man has learned well. I promised him 20 minutes. We've taken 30 minutes, which is not
Not
too bad.
bad. Yeah.
So I mean, at least he can ride. He's gone all the way around.
3 times, guys.
Three
3 times.
What more can you ask for?
Guys, get a scooter. Whatever the scooter is, get this scooter. Oh, call this guy to your home and he teaches you how to ride bikes. You guys, I can now go and like converse with guys when I talk about bikes and stuff. I'll unleash my scooter guy, but at least I can converse with these guys.
Yeah, you can now.
So guys, man, thank you for watching my channel. It's been Henry. Henry does workouts on his Instagram. You need to go and watch those. The man is packing 6-pack these days. Alright guys, peace and love. See you guys later. Bye.